Dollar Tree has always been one of my favorite places to get crafting supplies. So I just wanted to show you. This is a Dollar Tree that's a little bit further from me, but they always stay stocked with a lot of crafting supplies, and they put them all in this one little area. So they have like a lot of the wood blanks, different things like that that you can grab. But like I said, they stay stocked, but in a small space. Usually the other Dollar Trees I go to, they have like the rows of crafting items, but not this one. But they have the little easels, and they have those in different colors. Like, I don't know, like so many good things at this Dollar Tree. So yeah, sometimes I'm willing to take a little ride and go over there. But they have the little container pieces. Those are so much fun, especially for Christmas DIYs. I love to use those. And you can make cute little centerpieces and stuff like that with those too. The metal signs, love those. And then the metal signs, Dollar Tree has come out with so many nice metal signs. So not just the wording, things like that. That one right there is good for fall. It says like harvest, and then it says like a few other words. It's multiple ones. These right here are nice. And if you can see back there, they have like some of the gnomes tucked in there, and they have some cute gnomes too for the summer. And they'll change them up as the season changes. Stickers, rub-on transfers at Dollar Tree. Stickers, they have glass rub-on transfers, just a whole bunch of stuff that you can grab in the sticker section if you're lucky at your Dollar Tree. And then the canvases, so they have from small canvas, and these are all $1.25, from small ones to big ones like that. So those are not going to have like that wood frame in it. The smaller ones have like that little wood frame in it, but they have a lot of options with those at Dollar Tree. And then these, so if you do like paper crafts, these are good because you get like, they all about that size, some a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller, but there'll be like a variety of paper in those. These little books, these are cute too, especially for small paper crafts to grab. They have those at Dollar Tree. Beads, so many different beads now. They have things for if you do resin, if you do molds, different things like that. You see they have jewelry making items at Dollar Tree. They even have like little craft kits too that you can grab at Dollar Tree. Those are going to be like usually in the plus section. But yeah, just a lot of things. These are not so much craft items, but these are good. Another one that is a good one for like centerpiece and stuff, because before you know it, it is Christmas and July time right now. So say you wanted to do like a nice centerpiece or something like that, or for Thanksgiving, the vases at Dollar Tree, love those. They have went up in prices. So the smaller ones no longer $1.25. So they have went up prices. Just like the floral decor, like the floral and floral accessories, they have went up in prices. So these, especially the deco mesh and things like that, I might grab someplace else, get but the hard thing is, remember when Michael's used to always have the 40%, 50% coupons? They don't have those anymore. I haven't seen them in a while. So I don't know. But you have to see, you have to compare it now, whether you want to buy it like in bulk and buy more, or continue to get it from Dollar Tree because it is almost $2. But some of these things, like especially the rocks, you can grab those at Walmart for $1. So you don't have to get those at Dollar Tree. Not at $1.75. That's a bit much for those right there.